So in this video I want to talk about a couple of toys that I have for the kids, the nieces, the nephews, my son, and I'm the fun uncle that brings these toys along with me when we go to picnics and such. But I want to show you the difference here between the Coleman go-kart and the Coleman CC100X mini bike. They have nearly identical engines, just a little bit of a difference. Say for example, in the fuel tank here has access the cover here so you can get gas into it, whereas the go-kart, it's got a much larger cover, but it's in the middle of the tank. Another difference that I noticed between the two is, let's go take a look at the mini bike here. Part of the exhaust system, you've got this thing here that comes off the exhaust pipe, okay? Probably a vent or something of some sort. And if you come over here by the go-kart, you've got this bend that comes off the exhaust here, and then a rubber tube that goes down, and that same vent is here. So just a little difference in the way it's piped, but they're the same engine. But one of the biggest things I want to talk to you about in this video is, because kids are driving these around and kids aren't always going full throttle, there's obstacles to be had in the yards that we romp around in. The property is a little bit bigger at one family member's home than another, and when the kids go slow around and around and around and around, eventually these machines start acting a little funny. They don't want to run right. And the problem is, because they're going so slow, I believe the problem is the spark plugs are getting fouled out because they're not wide open, and carbon deposits build up on the spark plug. So just a word of advice, if that's happening to you, have yourself some extra spark plugs. And excuse me while I pick up these spark plugs off the ground. What I keep now on hand with me, I like NGK spark plugs. We're going to keep the BPR6HS number 7022 spark plugs. Keep a handful of these and a spark plug socket handy when you're out romping around with the kids. Alright, thanks for watching.